Students, today we will learn how to solve questions, how to calculate national income and related aggregates with value added method. To solve questions with the help of value added method, you have to learn these 4 formulas which we have discussed in our previous video also. First formula is value of output. Value of output equal to sales plus change in stock. Second, change in stock equal to closing stock minus opening stock. And value added equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption, means raw material. And you can calculate value of output with another formula also. Sometime in question you have given quantity and price. When you have given quantity and price, in that case you will calculate the value of output by this formula, quantity into price plus change in stock. Sometimes you have not given sales, but you have given quantity and price of that commodity, right? Let's see one example. In this question we have given sales equal to 90, closing stock, opening stock, indirect tax 10 rupees, depreciation 20, intermediate consumption 40, raw material 15, rent 5. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो फॉर्मूला अभी हमने लर्न किए हैं 4, उसमें रेंट कहीं भी यूज़ नहीं होता, तो ये जस्ट कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया गया है, इसका कोई यूज़ नहीं होगा वैल्यू एडेड मेथड में. सेकेंड, we have already given intermediate consumption and we also given raw material. So this raw material is already included in this intermediate consumption. So we need not to take the raw material separately. We will not include it raw material separately because it's already included in intermediate consumption. Now you have to calculate net value added at market price, right? बट जो 4 फॉर्मूला हमने याद किए थे उसमें हमने एक फॉर्मूला याद किया था वैल्यू एडिड इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट माइनस इंटरमीडिएट कंजप्शन. वैल्यू एडिड मीन्स ग्रोस वैल्यू एडिड एट मार्केट प्राइस. सो वी विल राइट हियर ग्रोस वैल्यू एडिड एट मार्केट प्राइस इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट. और उसी में से एक फॉर्मूला वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट के लिए भी हमने लर्न किया था एंड दैट फॉर्मूला वाज सेल्स, वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट इक्वल टू सेल्स प्लस चेंज इन स्टॉक, राइट, माइनस इंटरमीडिएट कंजप्शन इक्वल टू सेल्स आर गिवन 90 plus change in stock. We know that the change in stock, closing stock minus opening stock. Closing stock 15 minus opening is closing 25 on opening is 15 minus intermediate consumption is 40. By solving this we get 60. 60 is the gross value added at market price, but we have to calculate net value added at market price, and we already have gross value added at market price. So what adjustment we needed now? We have to calculate net, and we have already gross. We have to move from gross to net. So minus depreciation, value added to value added, no adjustment needed, market price to market price, no adjustment needed. Gross value added at market price is equal to 60 minus depreciation is 20, so will be 40. 40 will be answer. In last you have to return net value added at market price, because for the right answer you will get 1 marks. In this example we have given sales equal to 500, closing stock 30, opening stock 20, purchase of intermediate product. Intermediate product means it's the raw material, it's the intermediate cost, intermediate consumption to produce goods. Purchase of machinery. One thing to keep in mind here that machinery will not come under intermediate consumption, because it's not a raw material. Machinery is a final good. Machinery is not used up in a single use. That's why it will not included in intermediate consumption. Subsidy is equal to 40, and you have to calculate gross value added at factor cost. We learned the formula of gross value added at market price. You just write which you have learned. You have learned the 4 formulas, and out of those four formulas, one is gross value added at market price equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption, and we know that value of output equal to sales plus change in stock minus intermediate cost. Now putting the value, sales equal to 500, change in stock closing minus opening. Closing is 30, opening stock is 20. So change in stock equal to 10 minus intermediate cost is equal to 300. By solving this we get the 210. Now we have to calculate gross value added at factor price, but we have calculated gross value added at market price. So now what adjustment we needed to go to this aggregate? Gross to gross, no adjustment. Value added to value added, no adjustment needed. Market price to factor cost. We know that when we have to move from market price to factor cost, we minus the net indirect tax. So minus NIT. NIT, GVA at MP equal to 210 rupees, and NIT, we know the formula of NIT is indirect tax minus subsidy. In this question we have not given indirect tax, so we will assume the IT equal to 0. 0 minus subsidy is equal to 40. So the answer will become minus 40, and minus will become positive. So by adding the 40 into 210 we get the answer 250. This 250 is the gross value added at factor cost. In this question we have given subsidy equal to 40, sales 800, depreciation 30, export 100. Look at, we have already given sales, and after that we have given export. So we will not include the export separately, because these exports are already included in the sales, because these are the total sales domestically, and it included export also, right? So we will not include export into the sales. Closing stock 20, opening stock 50. Intermediate purchase. Intermediate purchase means intermediate cost, right? And again we have given purchase of machinery. Machinery is not a part of intermediate purchase. It's not a part of intermediate consumption. So we will not include purchase of machinery into the intermediate consumption, because it's a final good. Again, import of raw material. Import of raw material also included into the intermediate purchase, because we have given complete intermediate purchase. This included domestic purchase of domestic raw material and import of raw material. So we will not include import of raw material separately. Now solve this question. In this question we have to calculate net value added at factor price, but we know the formula of gross value added at market price equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption, and value of output equal to sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Now put the value of sales equal to 800 plus change in stock closing minus opening. By solving this we get 800, change in stock equal to minus 30 minus intermediate cost equal to 500, and this is equal to, by solving this we get 270. This is the gross value added at market price, but we have to calculate net value added at factor cost, and we calculated GVA at MP. Now what adjustment we needed? We have to move from gross to net. So minus depreciation. Value added to value added, no adjustment needed. Market price to factor cost minus NIT. By putting the value, GVA at MP is 270, depreciation equal to 30, and NIT, the formula of NIT is IT minus subsidy. Indirect tax is not given, so we will assume indirect tax equal to 0, minus subsidy is given equal to 40. So minus minus will become positive. By solving this, we get net value added at factor cost is 280.